shine like the sun and hold you in the palm of his hand. The snare of the fowler will never capture you, and famine will bring you no fear.
to request Lola Green first, the co-tenant of Mama at Hollywood Plaza. Before, after her, it will be Ruby and Nick. Yes. Lola Green, please.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I first met Ate Raray a few days after moving in March 2010 in the Hollywood Plaza building where I am still currently residing. We were both in the elevator going up, and when the elevator opened up on the 5th floor, and when we were in the elevator, we smiled at each other, we greeted and exchanged the usual pleasantries. When the elevator opened up on the 5th floor, we both came out, and we were surprised to learn that we stay on the same floor. So that was the start of our friendship that blossomed like a flower. So much so because we joined and attended the same Rosary prayer group of Filipino residents in the building, and it was being held every afternoon. And incidentally, we also go to the same church every Sunday and attended the same schedule, which was 8:30 in the morning.
Granddaughters from her husband's brother's family. It is with great honor for me to be given this opportunity to say a few words about Lola Daday. Lola Daday was a very strong woman with a very big and generous heart. She lived her life to the fullest by being selfless and living a life of love and service. She served the community by being a teacher, a noble profession by itself. She molded the minds and hearts of the young and influenced other teachers to be their best when she became a district supervisor. She was a very devoted and patient wife who upheld the sanctity of the sacrament of marriage, despite the hard blows and trials that could have ended their marriage or that could have broken the family apart. She was a very loving mother who treated all the daughters equally. She was a very giving, kind, and thoughtful grandmother. She always remembers all of her grandchildren who are mostly in the Philippines. She taught us the importance of keeping close family ties, to have each other's back, to be the source of strength for those who are weak, to provide for those who are less fortunate, and most importantly, to give till it hurts. Lola, as if your life of service was still not enough, you too had a very active prayer life. You started your days with hymns and prayers and praises in the early hours of the morning, like 3 o'clock in the morning, every day. And continued with different novenas and prayers and rosary throughout the entire day. Lola, I thank God for the great blessing that is you. You have certainly touched my life and became an inspiration. I am sure that each of you who are here were also touched by her life. Lola, please continue to pray for us here, that we may continue your legacy of living a life of service, of love, of kindness, and of generosity. Rest in eternal peace, and we love you.
Amen.
Marinig ba? Okay, marinig. Now, I was told by Sally, my classmate, na we're going to talk about your mama. Of course. Who is familiar with your mama is me in the family. Sa amin, in our lives, we usually heard, pag mabait, madaling mamatay. Di ba? Pag mabait ng tao, when you're good, you easily die. But my mom, she's 92. She's mabait. She's kind. So it's a big no-no. Look at her. What do you think? Look at her face. What do you think? Is she not good? Is she not nice? She is. Really, she is. Mama is the background. Was born in Cebu. The father is Bruno Sanchez, who is a professor in Spanish. He's a instructor graduated in Saliman and worked at San Carlos University. My Lola is a granddaughter of Don Bernabe Reyes. Reyes? From Bohol, Calapi, the first governor of Bohol, Calapi. They got married in Cebu, and they went to Cabalbalan and also the Lord because they have their properties. You know, mga Sanchez properties. Okay. So they survived there. Mama with a brother and a sister. My uncle died at an early age. My auntie died at 35 due to cardiac arrest. So my mother, the winner takes it all. Diba? Siya lang isa, the winner takes it all, right? Okay. They met Papa. He studied at Cabalbalan Pilot Elementary School. Her teacher is the mother of our president, the former Miss Soledad Roa, now Duterte. Suli Duterte, the mother of the president. Teacher niya yun. And then, sa high school naman, sa Agusan National High School, Butuan, ang teacher niya is Socorro Rosales. That time, when she graduated, teacher is our home economic supervisor. And she then recommended Mama to take her place as HE supervisor of the leadership of Luzon del Norte. Sa college, siya ay nagka-college sa Siliman University of Dumaguete. Ang mga contemporaries niya doon ay the brother of our congressman, engineer Ferdinand Amante, who is familiar of the Canoy in Cagayan de Oro. Ruben? Okay, Canoy. And the father of Joy, of Grace? Ruth? Attorney Virgilio Atega. Mga contemporaries niya yun. So, they met Papa in Cabalbaran due to a common friend, teacher also. My Papa got 3 girlfriends, a dentist, a pharmacist, and Mama. Sabi ni Papa, sino kayo pipiliin ko? Out of her picture yung si Mama kasi teacher lang, Mama ko kasi. But then my uncle, Liping and Tinuning, the brother of Papa Titing, he asked the advice. Sabi niya, Brad, sino bang pipiliin ko sa tatlo? Oo. Sabi naman ng Papa ko, ang pang-auntie ko, show me the love letters. Oh. Alin na C. Binasa ka, letter ng girlfriend na dentist, binasa ng girlfriend na pharmacist, binasa kay mama. Sabi niya, choose this girl, Miss Sanchez. Sa sulat pa lang mabait ka. See? So look at her. Who do you think he is? Is she mabait? She is. At the age of 92, would you want us Shirley to see her in pain?
No.
No. Kaya masaya kami. She's 92, she died. No, she died silently in peace. Because the time, mga a week, nakikita ko she is very hard in spring. Talagang she's in pain. At makikita mo talaga siya na, God, parang, ano ba, naghahabol ng hininga. Ito namang sister ko, the crying lady, kabadbaran, si Lenore, she is always crying. Ako talaga nasasaktan ako, but I should be strong kasi kami dalawa lang.
Yeah.
I have so many things in my mind. What will I do pag mamatay sa mga gagawin ko? Hindi ito kabadbaran. I have so many relatives in kabadbaran. Diba? Talagang, ang feeling ko, helpless ako. Then one day sabi ni Mama, do you have in our own mini? May gano'n, sa hospital. Kasi umalis mo yan. Kung bakit? Si Ruby, meron ka number? Sila Green, meron ka number? Si Celine, meron ka number? Lahat lang. Si Joy, meron ka number? Si Celine. Sabi ganun. For what, Ma? Para ano ba yung number? Siya, pag anong mangyari sa akin, tawagan mo si Minnie at si Ruby. Sige. Ikaw lang akong number, ganun, mayaan mo. And then at times, parang bang bawigat na? Kasi makikita mo, anong likod mo? Kasi makatilaw. Masakit na likod niya. Tapos mag-iiyak. Ganyan. So, talagang nirap ko niya ang likod niya. Pero at times, parang ano ba, kapoy ang tawag kapoy? Pagod na. For a while pa kayo mag-CR ako. Pero hindi ako mag-CR. Iyak na ako, iyak. Release. Tapos balik ako, artista. Ano gusto mo? Talaga, I have to let her feel na wala, okay lang siya. No problem. Pero I can see her. She's really dying. I know she's really dying. Kaya when I went here, kasasama na siya ko, kasi si Mama is 2.0. She cannot go home because of her health. Palit-palit tayo. Ikaw nang mauna, tapos yung sister sa Australia, saka siya, nag-jing sa Cebu. I didn't know that during my time, it's my schedule tayo na matay si Mama. Imagine! Kaya, then I come to think of, what would I do? Anong gagawin dito ba? And then I come to think of the Kabadbaranos. There we go, Kabadbaranos and my relatives. I call immediately Minnie, Ruby, to sinunod. Pag, iyak na naman! Wala na. But anyway, she's a woman of good heart. Ang ginawa ko, na nasa hospital kami, kinukonfirm ko, sabi ko, Ma, who are you by the way? Whom do you think you are? At kung gano'n, black notebook ko, hindi rin ko talaga. Who are you? Babasahin ko na lang, para sigurado. I asked her na, Ma, who are you by the way? Para i-confirm ko yun ba talaga ang obserbahan ko sa'yo, anong karakter ka meron? And she told me, I am loving. Sabi gano'n ha? Loving, confirm. Loving. Caring. Oh, caring. Totoo. She's so responsible, charitable, lahat na. Religious. Then, courteous, sabi gano'n. And this one, parang nakikita ko sarili ko. Planner daw siya, parang futuristic siya. Pag mag-asawa ka, mag-aral ito, baka magkasakit ito. She's really offhand, para bang dapat meron akong ganito kasi pag mag-aral na ito, wala akong pera, gano'n. Ito ba? Doon ako. Tapos, kakanta daw siya, nagda-dance daw siya, magaling siya magluto. Siyempre naman, she's supervisor, alangan. Di ba? Tapos, organize. Organize siya sa lahat ng bagay. Yung mga gamit niya sa bahay, pag nawawalan yan, talaga, lintik tayo dyan. Pag nandiyan yan, dyan lang yan. Oh. Ito namang sister ko ito, very feminist. You know. Ala! Kaya nagalit si Mama, they're really fighting. Para bang, if it's my thing, it's my thing. Okay. So, she is really forgiving. Totoo naman. Many times in our lives, di ba? we fight. Because si Mama, meron siyang karakter na kulit. Di ba, Nene, pag kain ka, kain ka agad. Kasi hindi yan hihinto. Kain! Pag hindi mo kinain yan, hindi hihinto. Parang kulit talaga. Diyan ako maiinis. Diyan kami maiinis sa Mama. That started our disagreements. And then she said, you cannot convince everybody to be like you. Please understand them. Respect. Baga kung kung ganyan siya, respetuhin mo lang kasi ganyan siya eh. Alam na naman yung gusto mo, mag-adjust siya, ikaw na dapat. So, don't question her because, kumbaga, if you are not, sabihin na natin you are not affected by your environment, could be, this is your built-in character talaga. Sabi ko you have given us all the good points in your lives. Yung magaganda, man, saan ba yung mali sa'yo? Wala ba? Sabi, meron din. Ma, saan ito galing itong kakulitan na to? Sino ba to? Kasi kami makulit. Kay Papa ba? Smile siya. Then, sino ba itong higa sa Papa? Kay Papa ba? Smile siya. Tapos, sino itong easily para ba so sensitive? Pag binigyan mo ng salita, so sensitive. Sino ba ito siya? Ay, akin lahat yan. Hindi sinabi ang ikita mo sa isang bagay o isang tao. It's just a matter of adjusting. It's just a matter of, acceptance. Kasi, kung sa standard mo lang, talagang wala ka kaibigan. Diba? Kung yung standard mo, ang gusto mo na i-absorb sa iba, o i-understand sa iba, wala kang effort na mag-understand naman sa anong meron silang karakter, their own individual characters, talagang walang nangyari. Wala kang kaibigan. So, you have to understand. I think it's about 3 days before she died, sabi niya. Kasi umalis na ito. Basta, andyan sinulog, si Mama hindi cannot express herself, dahil iyak ba? Kahit mag-prayer kami, iyak. Pag-usay kami, iyak. Guilty ka siguro. Marami ka siguro sana kasi iyak ka. Sabi ko, ask forgiveness now. She didn't hear you na. Ask forgiveness. Human na. Done. I have asked forgiveness already. Okay, but anyway, that's it. So, her life really, talagang, maganda ang buhay ni Mama. Kaya, kung makikita nyo kami, who we are today, is because of her. Talagang, sinabi ko kay Sally, nabasa din ko yung anong effort niya, yung mag-impact kami talaga, yung love of the family. Kung mag-love ka naman lang sa neighbors mo, kaibigan mo, make sure nag-love mo talaga ang family, unahin mo. You have to understand your family. Parang din. So that, for Mama, well, no pain. We're happy to see her that way. Buti nga siya. Maganda ang kabaong niya. Ewan ko lang kami. Baka mag-gira na tayo. Marami. Bindalaw kami kasi. Baka mamaya, mapunta pa kami doon. Ewan ko lang.
Wala na kabaong.
At least si Mama, ganda-ganda. Oh, beautiful in her peach.
Flowers too.
Flowers too. Oh. She'll be back in the Philippines by
7 tentatively.
Tentative 27. So, dun sa amin, ang sisters ko naman ang bahala doon. Basta ako dito, I have done my part with the family. Okay, with my iyakin. Of course, I have to thank you, Leonor. Kasi one time sinabi ni Mama, ay, hindi na palang mag-isa. Good enough that I have Leonor with me. Hindi, ito na. Lagi. Good enough that I have Leonor with me. I told my sister na. Sabi ni Mama Gesa, kaya nga sabi ko, with all of us, our family, individual family, Leonor is alone. She's single. Still available. She's beautiful. She's really beautiful.
Very available.
And very what?
Very available.
Available, yeah. One day, she can find one. Sure. Yeah. Kaya, sabi ko, may sabi ng sister ko, alam mo, siguro God made it that way na si Minora ay talagang mag-single muna while Mama is still here. Kasi tayo, we're too busy with our individual families. So she's busy with Mama. Okay? That night na sinasabi ni Ma'am Lagring na 911, sabi ni Mama sa akin, if Nunot wasn't there, I will be dead in the morning. Thank you, sister. Thank you, dear sister, crying lady. Okay. So, as I have said, salamat sa mga kabalbaranons na nahimong gaan, light, ang among pagkuhan mga diri sa Amerika. Of course, to my family. Alam mo naman, galyon tayo kasi. Pag galyon, iba yan.
Fighter.
Iba yan. But I don't have to also neglect my family sa mother side ko, itong mga Reyes, itong mga Sanchez. Pero may akong special thanks talaga. I thank Rini Ruby, ni Manang Milani for the cooking of the lumpia, food, masasarap. For Dinan, who is our production manager. Everything, the video and everything.
She did a great job.
Our sister Nelly, dekon siya ang sister namin dito. Pag may usapang simbahan siya yun. Selik agad. Okay. Si Joy naman, iba yung sa kanya. Parang sa mga weight, nag-lead sa amin, tinatawag GI. GI ba mga GI? Prayer leader. Okay. Si Cherry. And of course, ang atong si Ma'am Lagring, si Sir Sidil, si Ma'am Karing, si Sir Manny, all the rest of the, ang mga ka-tenants niya doon sa Hollywood Plaza. Especially Ma'am Lagring, Sir Sinet, kasi sabi ni Mama, they are these people talaga, yung talagang okay. Wala pa special yun. Alam niyo ba, meron pa isang very close to our heart. Si Dudong June. Ali dito. Ali. Ito. Si Mama talaga parang anak na niya si Dudong June. Pag nag-atake yan, no, tawagin mo si Dudong. Parang kampante siya pag nandyan si Dr. June. Alfred Malbas. Malbas Amante. Very funny. Of Bailey at Surigao. Okay. Yes. Ganyan. Si Dudong June, nakikita niyo sa picture talaga. Pag may atake, yan. Sakit agad. Ma! Oh, Dudong June. So, ito sila. These are these people na para bang may utang na loob kami sa inyo. Punta kayo sa amin. Pakainin ko marami. Really, I treat you. Punta ka sa amin. Sa Agusan. Kasi we have really something for you. So, hopefully by July 5, kung push July 27 na to, she'll be buried. Meron kaming Sueco Memorial doon. It's a personal memorial garden for the family. So, she will be buried here. Kasi sabi niya, natatawa ko talaga yan to, parang flashback lang, ma'am. Cremate na lang, ma'am, dito ka sa Amerika. Di ko, bakit ma? Kasi pag babalik ng gada, mawawala yung buto niya, makuna. Baka daw hindi siya kumpleto kasi cremated na siya. Imagine that concept. Wali pagbigyan. Buo. Wali sa Pilipinas. Ayos lang, no problem. Eh, sabi ko, no problem, no question about that. Kasi you have made us what we are today. Hindi ko yan enough. Okay. So for the family and for those friends who are here, Lassie and the family of our cousins, thank you very much for bearing with us. John, thank you. Our friends, Kabandaran friends, our choir, of course, we did it. Thank you.
Thank you. Trusting in God, we have prayed together for Felisa, and now we come to the last farewell. There is sadness in parting, but we take comfort in the hope that one day we will see Felisa again and enjoy their friendship. Although this congregation will disperse in sorrow, the mercy of God will gather us together again in the joy of His kingdom. Therefore, let us console one another in the faith of Jesus Christ. Lord, have mercy. Christ, have mercy. Lord, have mercy. Pater Noster, our Father. Pater Noster, qui es in cieli, sanctificat nomen tuum, et venia regnum tuum, fiat voluntas tua, sicut in cielo et terra. Panem nostrum quotidianum da nobis hodie, et dividi nobis divina nostra, seculorum divitimus, et vitoribus nostres, et minus inducas in tentationem, sed libera nos a malo. Blessed are those who have died in the Lord. Let them rest from their labors, for their goods